Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. Yeah, LINK shows us some initial signals that it might want to break higher here. It broke certainly out of the price channel, this trend channel, first time since November 22. That's certainly a signal, but the most relevant range here is the level that goes all the way up to $9.50. That's really this horizontal range in which LINK has been moving for more than a year. The forever range that needs to break, and then we can look at higher really for LINK. I want to talk about the long-term chart because on the long-term chart we see all the relevant levels and scenarios. So obviously we still have a overall bullish scenario for LINK here, targeting potentially, I don't want to overstate it, so let's say roughly $91 in the next bull run is a reasonable target that we communicated before, especially in our long-term videos for LINK. Long-term support is $2.98. As long as that level is holding on the weekly chart, daily chart, the focus can be on higher overall. However, price action has been super boring and sloppy on the LINK chart, and we only now see a very first signal that things might start to turn more bullish. However, we haven't broken above the $9.50 level. So the green lines really show you the structural resistances that need to break. The next one that we have, and actually the first one really that's meaningful, is the $9.50 level. So while we're approaching it, we haven't even broken it. So a break above $9.50 could take us to the next level. So what it means is, as we break one level, we can look at the next one. And then the red lines are basically the Fibonacci pivots that will tell us which bearish scenario is still possible. Very important to know that for risk management purposes. So we have the situation that if we break above $9.50, I've got the 50% retracement level here on the chart at $11.82. As long as we stay below that level, this could simply be a reset of wave 4 easily, okay? So this is something to be aware of, and then we could still break down in wave 5. It's worth knowing that for risk management purposes. If we break above $11.82, then there's a good chance we get quite quickly to the next main resistance here, previous swing high at $18.10. And bear in mind, that can happen quickly in crypto, right? We're in crypto, it's a crazy market. You can consolidate for over a year, everybody's losing interest, and then suddenly we see that move happen in a couple of weeks. And when people pick up their smartphone, the price has moved, right? That's why we are so much focused on very short-term signals and try to indicate as soon as possible when things start to change. And so far, nothing has been invalidated yet, but we obviously see the first signals. I mean, with a 17% move, things might start to shift, okay? And that is the biggest move LINK has done in a while. So above 1810 then, I mean, that's obviously in the future, but let's assume we break above 1810. Then we still have a chance to reset wave 2. Now that would be a little bit of a different structure, but it is absolutely possible that the move, that the move down was a wave 1 and the move up is a wave 2, and we get a great breakdown in the third wave later. That's not something I'm primarily watching for, but it's something that is absolutely possible. So we don't want to rule it out, right? So that could still be a key level where the price could turn around and break down again. On the flip side, a break above $32.77 will indicate that we could get to new all-time highs. So I think that's really one of the most important levels on this chart, around about $33. It's also very close to the next swing high here, the B wave high at 38.40. But yeah, this indicates, basically the milestone map for LINK for the bulls. It will be very interesting in the next few days to see if LINK can break above $9.50. LINK certainly gave us a bit of a not warning, but a hint in the last few days when LINK was consolidating just below this trend line and was basically frozen. So, but as I explained to you, until we really get a break above $9.50, we haven't really done anything that we haven't done in the last 1.5 years or so. So it's going to be interesting. Sentiment can shift very quickly in crypto, but we're starting to move towards breakouts here. Yeah. So that's my update about Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, and please check out the channel membership. Tomorrow we have our member live stream. If you're interested in the membership, yeah, you can join tomorrow at 5 p.m. UTC. We always cover an educational topic. Tomorrow we talk about options, but we also cover charts. We cover member coin requests and so on. So that's going to happen tomorrow. And as a member, you also get access to Discord and Telegram, the chat rooms, announcements, signals for gold members, and lots of educational content. So maybe check it out if you're interested. I think the next few weeks could get very exciting in the crypto world, the way it's going right now. Probably the best signals that we get at the moment from the market, the most promising signals that we've had in a while, really like the first day today that we also see the altcoins move a little bit, but it's still too early to really get outright bullish. It is, however, early enough to say, okay, we have the first signals that things might be changing. So it might be worth to switch tentatively bullish for now to see if things can move. And if they break, we have to be flexible because price action across the market is still very poor. And even if we see a more significant rally, it doesn't mean we go back into all-time high territory, but it could just mean a larger corrective rally. So I think it's wise to be at least tentatively bullish, listen to the signals of the market while still be very cautious and not get overly aggressive until we have more confirmation maybe, or until a pullback shows where a trade with a tight stop can be made. But ultimately how you trade, that is of course up to you. Yeah, that's my update about Link. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.